The VIX just printed 14.55, down another 4.78%, which means the market is walking into every catalyst left this summer wearing a blindfold, and that's the setup for tomorrow. I'm Max Sterling. This is your StockStory market ritual, for minutes, the numbers, and what they're hiding. So who wins if I'm right that this calm is borrowed? Today the story was inflation that behaved, core CPI up just 0.2% on the month, the annual rate landing at 3.4%, enough to ease earlier than expected rate hike fears. That's the good news half. The other half, a budget deficit that surged in July to its highest since March 2021, with fiscal year red ink now near $1.8 trillion. So the question is simple, does soft inflation keep bidding AI and rate-sensitive names, or does a market this fearless get caught leaning the wrong way when the next surprise lands? Here's what actually happened. The S&P closed at 7,748.5, up 0.26%. The Nasdaq did the heavy lifting, up 0.54% to 26,588. The Dow went nowhere, down 0.04%, which tells you where the money went. Technology led, up 1.49%, with real estate up 0.93% and utilities up 0.48% riding the softer rate read. The laggards were the communication down 0.9%, consumer discretionary down 1.13%, materials down 1.24%. This was a narrow, AI-shaped tape. Nebius Group ripped 34.14% to $259.20 on massive revenue growth. Quantinuum jumped 27.97%. Supermicro surged 19.02% to $37.61. And the fear gauge, the VIX, melted to 14.55. Green screens, thin breadth, and complacency getting cheaper by the day. Now, the scoreboard, and I'm not going to dress it up. Yesterday I called the VIX to close back above 16 on the CPI print, its first close there in over a week. It closed at 14.55. That's a miss, clean and clear. Which drops the running tally to 16 to 21. I'm buried, and it's the same trade burying me every time. I keep betting fear shows up, and fear keeps not showing up. So let me actually read this. The sector rotation and complacency story we've tracked for 2 weeks just did something new. The defensive plus oil rotation flipped back to pure tech, and the VIX punched below 15 while it did it. That's not calm because things are fine, that's calm because nobody's hedged. When leadership is this narrow, Nebius, Supermicro, a handful of AI names carrying an entire index, the market gets fragile precisely when it feels safest. I'm not shorting strength. But I'd rather own the boring compounder than chase a stock that's already up 34% in a session. And I'd stop selling volatility here, it's the cheapest it's been all month, and my scoreboard is proof it doesn't stay this cheap forever. So here's tomorrow's call, and I'm logging it. I think the VIX finally closes back above 15, the complacency snaps at least that far. It's a lower bar than yesterday's, and yes, I'm aware why I'm lowering it. Come back and grade me. Same time tomorrow. Subscribe so the ritual finds you.